Alright everybody, welcome out to the 2024 Full Start Picnic. We're going to take you around and show you a bunch of the bikes out here. There's some really great builds. A lot of people put a lot of effort into this. This is our entry for today. We're naming this one Arnold so everybody can get to the chopper. We hope it does well. I don't think we're going to win. There's some pretty awesome builds out here. Let's walk around and check them out.
out. Thank you for just hanging out, bringing out your bikes, being super cool. Thank you for you guys. Beautiful bikes. Thank you. All right, so we are going to start with our winners of each of our classes. This took us 30 minutes to do because there were a lot of awesome bikes and a lot of voting going on. A lot of them won by like one ticket as well, so if you didn't win, come see us where we can tell you at least first and second and third. All right, so let's start this off for our vintage class. This one won with 21 votes. Oh, wait, before I tell you, if you win, bring your bike up here so we can interview you and take some photos. But our vintage winner is number 375. Okay. There we go. Hey. Larry showing off his dad's bike. Round of applause for Larry. Next one is Wild. I wish I knew what this one looked like. Okay, so Wild with 30 votes. Number 039. Number 9. Woo! Let's give it up for Natalie. All right, so now we're off to the Rat Rock section. Oh my goodness, with 83 votes. 83 votes. 093. 093 for the Rat Rock section. It's a chain link looking one. Oh, that's great. All the second win. That's well worth it. Hell yeah! Give a round of applause to that one. Thank you. All right, now we're over to the off-road section with 25 votes. 087. I believe it was the 087. Red, white, and blue. With the Trail Master. Are you going to be out there at GPS 180? So if you guys want to race against David Rogers, GPS 180 is November 9th. So come see us for that race. So good job, David. Yeah. All right, now we're to the finalists. The Micros with 26 votes. Number 213. 213. What does 213 look like? All right. Give it up for Spencer. Clean looking micro. Dash 3. On titanium. Great job. Great looking bike. Give it up for Spencer. Now we're off to the drag bike with 21 votes. 058. 058. On the drag bike. You my winner? Bobby with Mini Bikes R Us. Frank. Oh, it's the Mini Bikes R Us. I'm on Montoya Frank. Bobby, great job on that drag bike. Let's give it up for Bobby. So then this one is a GPS pick. We just kind of walked around which one kind of sang to us the most. And for the winner of the GPS pick, it's 369. This is a double seater. The Hornet. It's a Hornet in the back. If you own 369, it's already up here. Come on up so we can give you a trophy. Are you my winner? Are you my winner? Yeah. So best in show basically means you got the most votes out of everyone. Manuel, come back on up here because 83 votes killed it. You broke the game. Congratulations. All right, we're not done. I need Jack Ramsey.
All right, what's up, everybody? I'm Jack with the Mini Bike Coalition. We brought up our coalition pick out, and this bike really stood out to us. Of course, it stood out to, I guess, the majority of everybody. Manuel, get it back up here, brother. This bike is phenomenal, man. The craftsmanship that went into it was absolutely amazing. And to get something like that true, the way it looks, good time and heart, brother. Congratulations, you earned it.
All right, it's great to see everybody. We got 2 picks. The wife picked out 2. I picked out 1. She's got them on her phone. What's my number? Give me my number. Mr. Travis, number 224 bike. Oh, beautiful bike, a lot of detail. Name of the bike.
Good job. Hey, Travis.
Good job, sir.
Hey, Travis.
Good job, brother.
Good job, Travis.
All right, Black. What's your pick? 008. The Missy? What you got next? Hurry up, these people are hot. 330 OG. OG. This is the double engine. You ain't seen this guy's biker from Cali. He's got a double engine. We watched it run last night. That's a death trap, I can tell you. Thank you very much, sir.
So I believe we're done.
All in one? Good job, buddy.